Hello students, in this video I am going to explain Climate of India Part 3. In previous videos I have explained about what is climate, how it is different from weather, what are the factors affecting the climate of India, and different seasons occur in India. In this video we'll discuss these topics. What are the major features of the Indian monsoon? Distribution of rainfall in India. Differences between temperate and tropical cyclone. What is monsoon burst? So let's start with major features of Indian monsoon. As we know, there are 4 important seasons occur in India. Hot weather season from March to May. Rainy season from June to September, retreating southwest monsoon from October, November, and the last is cool weather season, which is also called northeast monsoon, from December to February. So if we'll talk about these 4 seasons, so India receives most of the rainfall in summer, means in rainy season, from southwest monsoon winds compared to other winds like northeast winds which blow during winter. Because southwest monsoon winds blow from sea to land, which carry lots of moisture. These winds are also called onshore. Whereas northeast monsoon winds which blow during winter, these winds blow from land to sea. These are called offshore winds. So the moisture capacity of these winds are less than southwest monsoon winds. Next important feature is rainfall during rainy season is erratic and unpredictable. Means if we'll compare different years, so if we'll compare the data, so we'll see that sometime India receives more rainfall, but in some other years India receives less rainfall. In some of the year India suffer from floods, and in some year when India receives less rainfall from southwest monsoon wind, then drought occur. So sometime the rainfall delay in India, the arrival and departure of monsoon wind is not fixed, that is unpredictable. Sometime the monsoon winds come early in India, and sometime the monsoon winds that comes late in India. Next is rainfall is unevenly distributed. If we'll compare different states of India, so here I am talking about of only 1 year. If we'll see year to year, so there are different states in India. Some states receives more than 200 centimeter rainfall. For example, west part of Maharashtra, west part of Karnataka, Mozindram, near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, that receives heavy rainfall. Sometimes these parts suffer from flood, and other areas like West Rajasthan receives very less rainfall, less than 50 centimeter. As a result, desert conditions occur in those areas. Rainfall is mainly relief orographic in nature. Relief stands for mountain, hills, plateaus. Here we can say when monsoon winds enter in India, so monsoon winds find obstructions in their path. What kind of obstructions come in the path of monsoon winds? That is Western Ghats. So we can say the west side or windward side of Western Ghat receives more rainfall, and leeward side, opposite side of windward side receives less rainfall. We can say there is another obstruction, Aravalli range. So monsoon winds run parallel to the Aravalli range. So winds are not able to enter in West Rajasthan. As a result, West Rajasthan not able to receive rainfall. That gets scanty means less rainfall. Now next topic is distribution of rainfall in India. As I have told you, there are different states in India, so the distribution of rainfall is highly uneven. Some states receive very high rainfall, some states receive less rainfall. If we'll talk about Rajasthan, receive less than 60 centimeter of rainfall. Mazandaran, that is the wettest place in India. And Mazandaran is located in which state? Meghalaya. Receives around 1200 centimeter of annual rainfall. So, distribution of rainfall is totally uneven. Why? It's all because of obstructions of mountain. As monsoon winds come, when it enters in India, it collects moisture from Arabian Sea, and when it enter in India, Western Ghats act as an obstruction. So western slopes of Western Ghat, western side receives more rainfall because it lies on windward side, and opposite side of Western Ghat receives less rainfall because it lies on leeward side. So this shows distribution of rainfall is uneven. So we have divided some areas on the basis of areas of heavy rainfall above 200 centimeters. So which areas come under this category? Western slopes of Western Ghats, means parts of Maharashtra, west part of Maharashtra, west side of Goa, west side of Karnataka and west side of Kerala receives more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Areas of moderate rainfall 100 to 200 centimeter. Middle Ganga Valley in Bihar, Jharkhand, Bengal, Odisha, Western Ghat, Eastern Maharashtra. Areas of scanty means less rainfall 50 to 100 centimeter. Eastern Rajasthan, parts of Punjab, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir. Desert and semi-desert regions. These areas receives less than 50 centimeter a year. And which places come under this category? North part of Kashmir, southern Punjab, western Rajasthan. Next is temperate cyclone and tropical cyclone. Now, what are the differences between temperate and tropical cyclone? Temperate cyclone occur in temperate region. Which one is temperate region? That is 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree north and south. If the cyclone occur in this region, that is called temperate cyclone. Tropical cyclone occur in tropical region. Which is tropical region? Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. The wind velocity is low. If we'll see, during temperate cyclone, the speed of wind is less. Why? You have to learn one thing, temperate cyclones occur on land. And if the cyclones occur on land, we know you will find irregularities on land surface. So if there is an uneven area on land, so friction will be more, and if friction will be more, the speed of wind will be low. Now next is, during tropical cyclone, the speed of wind is very high because tropical cyclones occur in water bodies, and we know there is no irregularities or unevenness in water bodies. So friction will be less in water bodies, so the velocity of wind will be high. Temperate cyclones are more active in winter season. Tropical cyclones are more active in summer season. So just take a recap. We have discussed in previous video, we have discussed season like cool weather season. During cool weather season, western disturbances or temperate cyclones occur in Mediterranean Sea, and these western disturbances are pushed by jet stream towards Afghanistan, Pakistan. Finally, these western disturbances or temperate cyclones enter in Punjab, Haryana. And these western disturbances or temperate cyclones bring light rainfall, which is good for Rabi crops. Next is tropical cyclone. We have discussed in southwest retreating monsoon that during this southwest retreating monsoon, tropical cyclones occur in Bay of Bengal, and these tropical cyclones are pushed by jet stream toward Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and bring flood, lots of destruction in these states. Sometimes these cyclones occur in the month of June, July also, but this is again unpredictable situation. So again you have to revise all 4 seasons before going to learn temperate and tropical cyclone. Did you know, student, what is monsoon burst or bursting of monsoon? We know there are 4 seasons: hot weather season, then after hot weather season, southwest monsoon, rainy season comes. So during hot weather season, as we know, no rainfall occur. But as after hot weather season, when rainy season starts, so suddenly we can say sometime heavy rainfall occur during southwest monsoon. So we can say this is burst of monsoon. Sudden change in weather condition from hot weather season to rainy season. Next is break in monsoon. We know that if we'll see in different states, some parts receives more rainfall and some parts receive less rainfall. If we'll see, when the monsoon winds approaches toward Himalayas, when southwest monsoon winds enter in the central part of India, then rest part, like we can say other parts of India except central part, other part receives less rainfall because the wind already shed moisture in those parts. So that is break in monsoon. Let's take a recap. There are 2 important seasons: southwest monsoon, which is also called rainy season; northeast, this is cool weather season. What happened during southwest monsoon? In south, that is Australia, high pressure develops in Australia and low pressure develops in Indian subcontinent. So wind blow from high pressure to low pressure. Wind basically come from Australia. Why? Because in Australia this time high pressure develops. And why high pressure is there? Because of low temperature. And in Indian subcontinent there is a low pressure and high temperature, and wind always blow from high pressure to low pressure. Next is northeast monsoon. So in north there is a high pressure, especially in Indian subcontinent, and in south there is low pressure. So wind blow from high pressure to low pressure, from land to sea. Factors affecting the climate of India. As we have discussed, altitude, height above sea level. As we go higher, the temperature will be decreases. Normal lapse rate, it will increase, it will go at the height of 165 meter, temperature will be reduced by 1 degree Celsius. Distance from sea. Near sea, Or if we'll talk about near coastal areas, temperature is moderate. Away from coastal area, temperature is